I'm Matt Stout, your mortgage navigator, here to share with you 3 tips to writing better divorce settlements. Over the last 29 years, I've used mortgage loans to help hundreds of divorcees settle their finances. Borrowers are often unable to qualify for a new mortgage due to poor planning and poorly written divorce decrees. Tip number 1, alimony and child support must continue for 3 full years to be used to qualify for a new mortgage. That's not 3 years from the settlement date, but rather 3 years from the first mortgage payment date. Support for children over 15 won't be counted at all. When this is the case, it's often better to negotiate alimony that will fill the gap. Alimony and child support must have received for 6 full months before they can be counted as income. Support paid before the settlement date can be used if it's verifiable. Finally, it's extremely important to make sure that all support is paid by check or other verifiable means that does not require the payor to provide documentation it was paid. Tip number 2. It may surprise you to know that a mortgage lender can exclude debts awarded to the other party from the borrower's debt ratio, even if the debt still shows up on their credit report. Ultimately, poorly written details often kill a mortgage approval.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Is there any way you can type more quietly?
It's not me, it's the machine.
Make sure you include the bank's name and loan amount so that it's easier for an underwriter to disregard the monthly payments. We can approve a loan without a final divorce decree if the financial settlement is notarized and written correctly. Tip number 3, a mortgage lender can loan up to 97% of a home's value to pay out equity that's owed the other spouse, as long as it's considered a spousal lien. The dollar amount owed must be clear to the underwriter. If other debts are to be paid, the loan amount might be limited to 80% of the home value, unless they're paid out some other way. So if the home value is a concern, consider a higher spousal lien in exchange for the other party taking on more consumer debt. In conclusion, I highly recommend you get pre-approved before you ever try to negotiate a divorce settlement. Often people are hesitant to agree on a settlement as they're unsure if they will qualify for the family home or to buy a new one. I'll make sure you understand both options so you're better prepared to make a deal. Check out ICouldsSaveMoney.com to find your best mortgage options, or just give me a call at 800-340-5465 to take the next step. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more mortgage information. Feel free to send me a message with your mortgage questions, and remember to make this moment a great one.